Hey, love detectives! Welcome back to the Mind Detective HQ, where we crack the code on relationships and uncover those hidden truths that make love tick. Today, we're delving into the heart of the matter. 10 crucial love hacks most couples miss before it's too late. Because let's be honest, relationships aren't always picture perfect. They're messy, complicated, and sometimes downright frustrating. But don't despair. Just because love isn't always a fairy tale doesn't mean it can't be extraordinary. We're here to equip you with the tools to turn those occasional storms into thriving love oases. So get ready to take notes, because these hacks aren't just relationship advice, they're relationship game changers. And remember, love detectives, the key to a lasting, fulfilling love isn't about finding perfection. It's about embracing the imperfections and learning to navigate them together. Buckle up and let's dive in. We're about to uncover the secrets to turning those almost perfect love stories into perfectly imperfect happily ever afters. Hack 1. Master the art of communication. Communication is the lifeblood of any relationship, but it's often the first thing to fall by the wayside. So, let's start by becoming communication connoisseurs. Think of your words as bridges, not weapons. Build connections, not walls. Active listening is key. Hear what your partner is saying, not just the words they're using. Express your needs honestly and calmly without blame or accusation. Remember, communication isn't about talking. It's about understanding. Seek to understand before seeking to be understood. And love detectives, don't forget those nonverbal cues. A hug, a hand on the shoulder, or even a knowing glance can speak volumes when words fail. Hack 2. Keep the spark alive. Keeping the spark alive isn't about grand gestures or expensive vacations. It's about the little things that weave the tapestry of love. Surprise each other with small tokens of affection, a handwritten note, a favorite snack, or a spontaneous dance in the kitchen. Rediscover shared hobbies or explore new ones together. Remember, couples who play together stay together. Make time for genuine connection, even amidst busy schedules. Put down the phones, turn off the TV, and truly be present with each other. And remember, love detectives, laughter is the best medicine for any relationship. Share those silly moments, those inside jokes, and let those giggles reignite the flames. Hack 3. Rekindle intimacy after kids. Parenthood. A beautiful whirlwind that can sometimes leave intimacy lost in the laundry basket. But fear not, weary warriors. Rekindling that fire isn't just possible, it's essential. Steal stolen moments. Wake up a little earlier. Sneak in a quick kiss before bed or share a steamy shower. Even 5 minutes can make a world of difference. Schedule intimacy like an important appointment. Don't leave it to chance. Block out time in your calendar for just the two of you and treat it with the same respect you would any other commitment. Remember, a happy couple makes a happy family. Invest in your relationship, and the positive energy will ripple outwards, creating a harmonious haven for everyone. Hack 4. Work-life love balance. Finding the elusive work-life love balance is like mastering a three-ring circus act. But with the right tools, you can juggle with poise and grace. Set boundaries and communicate priorities. Let your partner know what's important to you at work, and vice versa. Discuss reasonable expectations and avoid the always-on trap. Remember, quality time trumps quantity. An hour of focused attention is worth more than 10 hours of distracted presence. Be present when you're together and leave work worries at the door. And love detectives, a supportive partner is your greatest ally. Celebrate each other's successes, offer encouragement in moments of stress, and remember, a happy partner thrives both professionally and personally. Hack 5. Conflict resolution, friend, not foe. Disagreements are inevitable, even in the best relationships, but how you handle them defines the strength of your bond. Approach conflict as a team, not adversaries. Stay calm and avoid inflammatory language. Take a deep breath before you speak and listen to understand, not react. Focus on solutions, not blame. Ask, what can we do to make this better, instead of whose fault is it? Embrace the power of I feel statements. Take ownership of your emotions and avoid accusatory language. Remember, love detectives, forgiveness is the ultimate tool for conflict resolution. Let go of past hurts and focus on building a stronger future together. Hack 6. Navigate long distance like pros. Miles may separate you, but distance doesn't have to weaken your bond. Embrace technology as your love bridge. Schedule regular video calls, not just fleeting texts. See each other face to face, share stories, and feel the connection through the screen. Send handwritten notes and surprise packages. A tangible memento says, "I'm thinking of you," louder than any digital message. Plan exciting reunions to look forward to. Count down the days, celebrate milestones, and make your time together truly special. Remember, distance strengthens the heart. Trust the process. Hack#7. Healthy habits for a happy marriage. Stress is the relationship kryptonite. Prioritizing healthy habits together builds both individual and couple resilience. Embrace exercise as a bonding experience. Go for walks, hit the gym, or take a yoga class together. Physical activity releases endorphins, boosts mood, and strengthens your bond. Make mindfulness a routine. Practice meditation, spend time in nature, or engage in calming activities like reading or painting. A calm mind fosters communication and emotional connection. And love detectives, remember, sleep is your relationship superhero. Prioritize restful nights, avoid late-night screen time, and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Well-rested partners are happy partners. Hack#8. In-laws, ally, or foe. In-laws, they can be your partners in crime or your arch-nemesis. Choose the former. Building bridges with your partner's family strengthens your entire relationship ecosystem. Set boundaries respectfully. Communicate your needs and expectations as a couple, while acknowledging your in-laws' role in the family. Find common ground. Focus on shared interests and activities, and don't be afraid to ask questions and learn about their stories. Remember, treating your partner's family with respect strengthens your bond. It shows them you cherish what they cherish, and that's a universal language of love. Hack#9. Rekindling romance after a breakup. Second chances exist. Love detectives. Maybe you went your separate ways, but the ember of love still flickers. Here's how to rekindle the flame. Focus on personal growth. Take time to heal, learn from your past, and become the best version of yourself. This builds a stronger foundation for a renewed relationship. Communication is key, but this time, with open hearts and clear intentions. Talk about what went wrong, what you've learned, and what you hope for the future. Forgiveness is your superpower. Let go of past hurts and resentments. Acknowledge mistakes. Offer genuine apologies. And choose to move forward with understanding. Trusting someone once again isn't easy, but remember, love thrives on vulnerability. Take small steps, build trust through actions, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Hack#10. Express love through actions. Words are powerful, but actions speak volumes. Let your love echo not just in what you say, but in what you do. The little things matter. Help with chores without being asked. Make their coffee their way, or leave a loving note tucked in their bag. Be their biggest cheerleader. Support their dreams, celebrate their successes, and offer a shoulder to cry on during tough times. Remember, love isn't a one-time declaration. It's a daily symphony of small gestures. Surprise them with flowers, plan a spontaneous outing, or simply hold their hand and listen intently. These love hacks may not be magic spells, but they're powerful tools. Apply them with patience, understanding, and a whole lot of love. Remember, you're not just partners, you're teammates, best friends, and co-pilots on this beautiful journey called love. So, love detectives, go out there and put these hacks into action. Build the love story you deserve, one thoughtful gesture, one honest conversation, one stolen moment at a time. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep cracking the code of love. Subscribe, like, and share the video.